Your turn.
Ay, dula may
Okay, I do right.
robot turtles.
Hey.
Mo na nga among kalingawan ron.
Right.
Right?
And then
Daddy
laser
ang
beam.
tigtulod.
This is
Sige,
right.
tulod.
There's your right.
Right, and then laser beam. And then forward.
Nice.
Forward.
Look. Wow! Matigas yung pala itong forward. So, ang main naman ni goal kay Pink man ko. So, ang akong kwaon ang pink
Forward.
gem.
Okay.
So, Ezekiel is the red gem. Matthias is the
Wait, I
blue gem.
forgot Thinkfun.
Hala! Blast!
Nope.
What?
It's
You're not-
Daddy.
Oh, dang it.
Oh, man!
Say.
Bug.
Bug.
Oh, you missed it?
Wait.
So, that's why you need to think very good here.
Do you want to?
Because, pag mamali ka, may ka bug. Chance. Hala!
And then what? I think I'm...
Yung bag-ong kuha niya mahan. Palit niya nga dulaan. Card game. Board game. Look! Is Matthias gonna get the gem?
Oh, dang it. Actually,
Dang it. Ding.
Where do you want to change? Just forward?
Wow, Daddy gave you a lot of chance.
You get as many bugs as you want, because it's partially about learning.
Oh, yeah.
Oh,
Okay.
for a...
Good job, love.
1, 2,
Hello, you're
get 5.
Get 5 cards. Wow.
Okay, Mom, your turn.
1 new card. So I'm gonna go forward, to the right, then laser beam. So that's mine. 2 to the right, then laser beam.
You
Yay!
opened up the way for Matthias.
Oh, thank you.
Oh, that's good. So I'm gonna discard this 4, and I get more 4 cards.
That way.
Yeah.
So each player, here, lab. This is the discard, lab. Oh,
Yours is over here.
so I'm gonna get more 4.
Your turn.
3, 4. So muna nga ako.
Yep, those are your cards.
So muna nga akong
So you
card
want to turn
gaina.
like from here to there?
Hopefully I have forward,
Face
turn
box.
to the right. Oh! Yay! I got 2 forward again. 3 forward. Lucky. So this
I
is
got a
my
lucky chance.
Okay, Ezekiel, hold on.
strategy.
So look, right now you're facing this way.
Laser.
If you go here, it goes here, destroy these 2,
Or I will go
your
down.
gem's right there.
Oh, I have lip. Hello. I changed it. The leapfrog. I don't have leapfrog anymore that I could jump on
You have a
you.
laser?
Just you change my
So
leapfrog.
just go forward right
Nice
now,
and that was
and then
like
I'll
a
change
baby.
2 of your turns.
No. Nah.
I'm gonna...
4,
Wow, Ezekiel.
2, 3, 4.
Okay, now my next turn is
Ang pajaman is yung pasta mubuan. Muna Thinkfun. So mali
Do you have anything else?
tudlo sa mga bata na maghuna-huna sa ang ilang way para makuha nila ang gem.
forward.
Like that?
Yeah.
Look! Yo! Ang atong pajama. Wow, Ezekiel! Hala, 1 more na lang na. 1 and then blast.
Well,
And then forward. Yeah. Wow, Ezekiel again is winning. Last time, I think yesterday he
4 more
win.
cards.
Wait, why that guy have 2?
Natiman sa kuha niya akong card. So, din ako.
This one.
So, forward.
Oh, I didn't notice it.
Forward. I don't know where I go.
Now, Matthias.
I'm gonna be in
it's Matthias'
trouble.
turn first.
I know.
Matthias, your turn. Your turn. Go ahead.
I don't have lip rub, so I can't jump on Matthias. But, it's up to Matthias. Maybe he will go forward.
Still win. Look, when we go that way, you gotta move that way.
Uh-huh.
Okay, where's left? Look, if I move left, if you don't, when Maria moved, then I can see.
Yeah. Yep, if Matthias move, I could go without leapfrog, right? Look.
You could
So
follow
move.
me. Or do shorter
Move.
No, how about mom just go?
No, I'm gonna be winning because I have still laser.
Yeah,
So move,
definitely win.
move, laser. Hello, I need. Oh, I
You
win.
need 2.
Nope, I got 3.
1 forward, 2
Yeah.
forward, 3 forward, 4 forward.
Oh.
Dad, you don't need that. Look.
No, right here, Mako. Yeah. So I think I need more 1 forward now. So forward, forward. Oh, I need to turn lab now to the up.
Forward, turn. Yep.
And then blast. Yeah, I win. Oh, I need 1 more day. Yeah, this one lab. Forward, forward. Turn,
Okay,
up,
ready?
blast.
You ready?
Okay. No. No. Ah!
What do you say?
Bug.
Okay.
So it should be forward. Turn to the right.
No.
Should be like that eh. Left.
No, left.
Bugo na matter. Then forward. Then turn to the up. So this is the right one, lab, yeah? Huh? And then blazer. Then up.
Okay.
Oh, it should be that one. Ay, no girls. It's good. You will say bug. Hey! So I got 1 more forward lab, and I will get the gem.
Yep.
So I get 3, 4,
5, 6.
5, 6 discard. Yay!
Wait.
4,
Get 4 more cards.
5, 6.
Yeah, 4 more cards.
Leapfrog.
Nope.
I
Okay,
win
go
now.
ahead.
I have
Yeah,
lots of
forward,
forward,
leapfrog.
so this is all I
Then what?
need. So I could get the gem.
Oh, come on. Actually, no.
What do you say?
Bug.
Bug.
So what do you need to do?
Oh,
So this is a good thing.
yeah.
Because the
After the
kids
frog?
would think where to go.
Wait, actually, fit.
Oh, okay.
Forward.
Victory.
Victory!
Chaulklin.
Boom.
Then turn right down here.
And the gem is
And turn
all
left.
yours.
Hello! Wow, Ezekiel! You got the gem?
Oh, I need
Here, Ezekiel.
So the one who get the gem first is Ezekiel. He got the red
Look at my
gem.
combo.
Hala! Pwede. Hala! With sounds ba? So daddy is the one who's doing the kuan. Because we can't hold our frog. So only one. Hala, you get it? So I'm the last one.
That's okay.
I'm the last one who get the gem.
That was the left one, but you're the loser.
I'm the loser, but so are we putting it now? Is that a good game? Halalab, Dade. This game, Ezekiel is the one first get the gem, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, last time too. Ezekiel,
Hey,
you're
time
good.
for cards.
I think you are a robot turtle master. Are you a robot turtle master? Ezekiel?
Icy puff.
Are you? Are you? No. Ano, dance pa. Uy, ilong ane. Ilong ane. Ako na inyong mga ilong be. Ilong na matangos, tangos, ilong. Ang atong, your pajama is very small. Why you like to wear this one? Now you have other. It's so good. You like this?
Thank you for watching. Gunta, magkita-kita pa kita sa sunod na higayon. God bless everyone.